Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I'm going to be using some leftover paints from a previous pour. And the first one I have is this one here, and it is from Loft, and it is quinacridone magenta with some iridescent medium in it, and that's also from Loft. Loft blue, it's metallic. This one is purple and that one is metallic as well. And then we have metallic phthalo green. Oops, put those back up there. And the last one I have is pearl white. Now this is, I have a little bit left in my cup, but I did make a whole nother cup full because I might need it. And I am going to be, it doesn't want to stay, and I'm going to be using a spatula. I have not used a spatula before, so it is going to be the first time for me. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to put a little bit of paint on the canvas. Gonna spread that on there just a bit. Doesn't have to really be perfect. Alright, good enough. Now I'm just going to take a little cup and I'm gonna just put a little bit in here because I'm gonna do actually a flip cup on the spatula. So we'll start with the magenta. And there's really not that much left of these colors. I don't have, the magenta is the one I have mainly most of. There's not really a lot. And then I've got the purple. I know I barely have enough of this green. So hopefully I can get enough out of there. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit more magenta on the top. I probably am putting too much magenta. And then a little bit of the pearl, just a little bit. Alright, so now actually I'm going to pop the air bubbles. There's a lot. I just mixed that one fresh, so there's probably a lot in there. Okay, and now I'm just going to take this and pour the pearl on there. Hopefully it works out. I don't know if this is really the right spatula. The sides don't come all the way up like it does here, so we'll see. Alright, so now I'm just gonna flip it on there, let it set for a minute. I'm just gonna lift it a little. Oop, see, it's falling over the side. Alright, so I'm just going to start right here and just kind of let it run off. Yeah, there's nothing in there. That does look really pretty in that cup though. Alright. I'm going to go over it one more time. I do have some air bubbles there. And now I'm going to take some more and I'm going to pour it along the edges. Take my spatula, kind of, whoops, I got some color on there. Kind of forgot that was under there actually. Oh well. Alright, so now I'm just gonna move it a bit. I really don't want to lose that right there, because that's really kind of pretty. Okay, we're going to come back this way. Alright, those colors look really pretty. I'm actually surprised that I got some green to show through because there wasn't really that much. Alright, so I'm going to go over it. And these colors don't have any silicone. There's no silicone in any of this, or alcohol either. All those air bubbles, so. So I'm going to get my airbrush and I'm going to try to go right along here. It's real easy. Okay guys, so here is a close-up for you. These colors look really, really pretty. And all these cells that popped up without any silicone, I'm loving that. And I also got lacing right in through here, which is awesome because I love that too. And using the airbrush I like because it was just kind of blah right there, so that looks pretty. And just the way the colors blended look awesome. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do that and click on the bell so you can get notifications for when I upload new videos. Alright, have a great day! Okay guys, here's the painting all dry. I'm really loving how this has turned out. The last 2 times I've used this pearl white with these metallics, I've gotten all these natural cells. So I'm going to actually be doing some more experimenting with some other colors in the pearl white, because I'm not sure if that's what's doing it. The densities, you know, of the paints, the floetrol could be helping with it too. There's a bunch of factors. So anyway, I really love how it turned out.